Tick which of the following statements about Bluetooth are true or false. Let's remember Bluetooth is a wireless technology for transferring data or files between fixed and mobile devices. Commonly it's found in mobile phones and laptops. Statements. So let's see which of these are true and which are false. Wires are needed to connect devices. This is false, because obviously it's a wireless technology, it does not involve the use of wires. There are health concerns from using it. This is true. There are some health concerns related to the use of all wireless devices, but which is also true of Bluetooth. It can be used over very long distances. We know this is false because Bluetooth only has a short range. It has a relatively small bandwidth. This is true. It's only suitable for transferring small files, and it's not really suitable. It would take an awful long time to transfer large files. Part B. A geographical information system, GIS, can be used to capture and display information. One use of GIS is to determine how far it is from one place to another. Give one other use of GIS. Well, we can use GIS to get the directions from one place to another. We can use GIS to find out exactly where we are. We can use GIS to track our mobile phone if they are lost. We can use GIS to look at an area to see what sort of attractions are in that area, what sort of geographical features are in their area. Are there any rivers about? Are there any mountains, etc.? So we have many different uses for GIS systems. We can also use it to track and monitor how far we run or go on bike rides. If we're thinking about buying a house, we can use GIS to look at the area and get an idea of what is in that local area. Part C. Give 4 advantages of using broadband rather than dial-up to access the internet. Well, the first main advantage is obviously that broadband has a much larger bandwidth than dial-up, so it will be quicker to download files and quicker to upload files to the internet because we have a larger or a bigger bandwidth. Another advantage of using broadband is that it is always turned on. With dial-up, we would have to, each time we want to connect to the internet, we actually have to go through the process of connecting to the internet via the dial-up feature. With broadband, we are always connected to the internet. Another big advantage of broadband is that we can use the telephone at the same time. With dial-up, we can't. If we want to use the phone, we have to disconnect from the internet. With broadband, we can use both at the same time. Because we have a larger bandwidth, we will also be able to do more things on the internet. For example, we will be able to video conference, and we will be able to download movies or music more effectively than if we are using dial-up. Another big advantage of broadband is that we can set it up wirelessly, so we can access it all around the house, and different devices will be able to access it.